Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best turn signal kit is probably one of the most important safety upgrades you can make for your golf cart, dramatically improving visibility and helping prevent accidents by clearly signaling your intentions to other drivers and pedestrians. This video will guide you through everything you need to know before purchasing and installing a turn signal kit, from choosing the right kit for your cart model to the step-by-step installation process, ensuring a safe and effective addition to your vehicle. Number 5. 10L0L Golf Cart Kit. Give your golf cart a safety and style upgrade. This kit adds essential features for a smoother, safer ride. It's more than just turn signals, it includes a horn, hazard lights, and brake lights. Everything you need for increased visibility and safety. The kit comes with a detailed wiring diagram, and we offer technician guidance to ensure a worry-free installation. You get the turn signal lever, hazard switch, controller box, wiring harness, brake pad, horn, and all necessary mounting hardware. Everything is included for a complete upgrade. This kit is designed for golf carts with a universal 9-pin wiring harness. Please check your harness before purchasing to ensure compatibility. It operates on 12V. A voltage reducer is needed for 36V or 48V systems. The horn's volume is easily adjustable. We stand behind our product. Enjoy a 1-year refund or replacement guarantee for your peace of mind. What we like. This kit has everything you need for a complete upgrade. Installation is a breeze thanks to the included instructions and support. Plus, you get peace of mind with a 1-year warranty. If you value convenience and worry-free installation, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Products work well. Instructions could be a little better. Had to use YouTube. This kit was exactly what I needed. It was installed in a Yamaha G29. It was easy to install. Knowing that you need a deluxe wiring harness is a must. The product itself is of good/sturdy quality. I've retrofitted it to my EZGO 1999 TXT to make it street legal. Number 4. 12V Golf Cart Kit. Give your golf cart a safety and style upgrade with our universal turn signal kit. It's designed for easy installation and improved visibility. This kit is compatible with Yamaha, Club Car, and EZGO golf carts. It's a simple solution for adding essential safety features. It features a 9-pin plug wiring harness for a seamless connection. Please note that modifications may be needed for other connector types. This kit includes turn signals, hazard lights, brake lights, and a horn, making your golf cart street legal in many areas. Enjoy peace of mind and added safety. It requires a 12V power source. If you have a 36V or 48V golf cart, you'll need a voltage reducer. Ensure compatibility before installation. The kit comes with everything for installation: wiring harness, hazard switch, controller, instructions, column cover, brake pad, clamps, horn, and controller box. What we like. It's compatible with many golf cart models. This kit makes your golf cart street legal, adding safety and convenience. With its deluxe features, it's a great upgrade for safety and compliance. If you need a versatile and street legal upgrade, this is for you. What people say. Headlights are bright. Headlights, tail lights, brake lights, directional signals, 4-way flashers, and a horn when you add the upgrade kit. Fairly easy to install, had to reroute signal wires under the access panel. Used the existing brake switch, didn't need the one that came with it. I have a 2009 Club Car President and it took about 1 hour to hook it up. Number 3. 10L0L Golf Cart Kit. Upgrade your golf cart's safety and visibility with our comprehensive turn signal kit. It's designed for easy installation and seamless integration. This kit is compatible with Yamaha, EZGO, and Club Car golf carts. Ensure your cart has a 12V power supply for optimal performance. Make your golf cart street legal with added safety features. It includes front and rear turn signals, brake lights, hazard lights, and a horn. Everything you need is included: turn signal lever, wiring harness, controller box, hazard switch, steering column cover, brake pad, horn, and mounting hardware. A detailed instruction diagram is also provided. Installation is straightforward thanks to the detailed instructions. We recommend following the instructions carefully and not modifying the wiring. Remember, it requires a 12V power supply. If your golf cart has a higher voltage, you'll need a voltage reducer, sold separately. What we like. This kit fits a wide range of golf carts. It makes your golf cart street legal, improving safety. Installation is simple and straightforward. If you need a compatible and easy to install street legal kit, this is the one for you. What people say. Ease of installation. Very easy to install. Good product. Easy and simple install, just follow the instructions. No issues, I was able to plug in and go. Number 2. Dr.Acces Golf Cart Kit. Give your golf cart a modern look and added safety. This kit provides turn signals, a horn, and brake lights for increased visibility on the course. It's designed for easy installation with a 9-pin plug-and-play wiring harness. Everything you need is included for a quick and straightforward upgrade. The kit comes with everything you need: turn signal lever, hazard switch, controller box, wiring harness, and more. You'll be ready to hit the course in style. This kit is specifically designed for golf carts with a 9-pin wiring harness. If yours doesn't have one, you'll need an additional upgrade harness. While generally easy to install, some electrical knowledge may be needed for connecting the brake pedal and horn. Refer to the included wiring diagram for guidance. We stand behind our product. Enjoy peace of mind with our 1-year return and exchange guarantee, plus responsive customer support. What we like. It's a complete kit with everything you need, designed for 9-pin harnesses. You'll get a full year of warranty protection. If you need a comprehensive kit with warranty in a 9-pin connector, this is a great option. What people say. Everything works perfectly. Flashers, horn, turn signals, and brake lights. 100% street legal. Installation is easy if your lights are already installed. The horn is loud. My Yamaha 48V golf cart already had the headlights and brake lights installed, so the 9-pin connection harness was ready to go under the cup/ball holder dash cover. For the steering column cover, I had to cut about a 1/2 inch off the bottom with a pair of shears. It snapped over the steering column and did not require any additional securing. Number 1. RHOX Deluxe Golf Cart Kit. Upgrade your golf cart's safety and style with this easy-to-install kit. It's designed for a seamless plug-and-play experience, adding essential features to enhance your ride. This kit offers high and low beam options, maximizing visibility in various conditions. This feature is only available when used with compatible RHOX LED light kits. Designed for ease of use, it seamlessly integrates into your RHOX wiring harness. No complicated wiring is needed, just plug it in and go. It's built to withstand various weather conditions, ensuring reliable performance rain or shine. Enjoy peace of mind knowing it will perform even in challenging environments. This kit provides complete control over your lighting and signaling. It includes a horn button, light switch, turn signals, and hazard lights, all conveniently located for easy access. Remember, this kit is designed to work exclusively with the RHOX wiring harness. Please ensure you have the correct harness before installation. What we like. This kit offers a simple plug-and-play installation. It supports high-low beams for enhanced visibility. It's built to withstand the elements. If you prioritize ease of use, superior visibility, and weather resistance, this is the ideal choice. What people say. Easy to install and wire up if you know what you're doing. Works flawlessly right out of the box. Quality looks good. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.